Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying clean, healthy, washing your hands, all of that good stuff. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's themed makeup look, which is pretty much just green and gold makeup, but hey, I thought that it would be fun. So let's get started. So I already did like my base, my eyebrows, all of that good stuff because nothing in that routine has changed. So if you guys want to see all the products I use on my face, you can pretty much watch any other of my makeup looks. I'm sorry, my hair is so crazy. I just looked down. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I just looked down and I just decided to let my hair be natural today, and she's having a mind of her own, okay? A mind of her own. So guess what I have? I swear I cannot live without these headbands. And look, the best part, it lights up. So let's just pop this baby on and then get started. Oh, it's cut out of the frame. What the heck? Oh, what a shame. I could move my camera, but the way that it's positioned, it's just like there, you know? And this headband doesn't look that cute anyways. Why didn't anybody tell me that this headband is like ridiculous? But it's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, well I'm gonna take it off for now and I'll figure it out later. But I mean, cute. Even-ish. I can live with even-ish. Yeah, even-ish. I can live with that. Gosh, I'm gonna get my hair like dyed and cut finally next week, so it'll be much more tamed. My camera died while I did my eyeliner, but here it is. Okay, now I just need to put on some mascara. And I was gonna do like gold eyeliner up here, but I don't know if I'm feeling it. So let's just do my mascara and then let's see where I feel at. What was I thinking about? I low-key like, this is just like a Saturday afternoon and I'm too lazy to like take off this makeup, but I feel like it's too extra for just a chill Saturday afternoon. But all the work I just put in. Oh well, I'm probably just gonna go out like this. Maybe I'll put up my hair, make it just look like less dramatic. I don't know, we'll see. Alrighty guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my St. Patrick's Day soft glam-ish glam look we're trying out here. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!